Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a love reading for the sign of Aquarius. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Aquarius out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest, and if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, your moon, Venus, for additional messages. I would also like to thank all of you who have liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel. I'm truly grateful for it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It'll help me grow as a reader. It'll help this video circulate more so that others can get this message. And I post 2 videos every day, so if you subscribe, you won't miss out on your video when I post. And please also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified by YouTube every time when I post your videos. Okay, so let's see, Aquarius, what's coming up for you. This is for the rest of the month of September. We'll see how you feel about your person and how your person feels about you. So let's see what's coming up for Aquarius. How do you feel about your person in September? What's going on in your love life? Hanged Man. So there is something very feeling very stuck in your love life, or in with your this person, whoever you're thinking of right now. You could be dealing with a Pisces, and maybe you're thinking about them, but there is something here that is not moving ahead, something that has come to a standstill between you and this person. Okay, there is either a need for you to change your perspective about the situation, or there is a need for some kind of letting go. But at the moment, I feel this is at a standstill, this connection, the situation. What else is coming up? King of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with an Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but this is somebody who you see as being very good with their money, very well established person, somebody who is very well settled in life, who is a ideal mate when it comes to long-term connections. A very stable, very grounded kind of a person, very like has his a game when it comes to money matters, finance, business, very settled. Okay, so this could be how you see this person as. Six of Swords. So yeah, you are wanting to move away from this Hanged Man position or the stuck energy, or this could be that you want to move away from this person altogether, move towards something more calmer, more peaceful, because there was a lot of ups and downs earlier, and now you just want to move away from that energy. If not, if it's not about moving away from this person, at least you want to move away from this no movement, stuck energy that you are in. Okay, you want some progress, so you're moving towards something more stable. Let's see what else is coming up for Aquarius. Eight of Cups. So yeah, you are thinking of walking away, or you have already walked away. Time is fluid in tarot, so this could have either happened, or it's happening, or you're thinking of, or this will happen. But yeah, like I said, you want to move towards something more stable, and for you, you don't want to be maybe in the stuck energy, so you have decided to move away, walk away from something, with the hope that there's something else out there that's better for you. So let's see, how does this person think and feel about you and this connection? Queen of Swords. So yeah, they have cut something off here. They want some truth, clarity in a situation which they want and they are seeking. And or this could be you asking them for something, some truth and clarity, and they are not able to answer, or because you've got the Hanged Man here, so maybe this person is not giving you an answer, because of which there is that stuck energy, and this could be you coming towards them, asking for some truth and clarity, so that you can make a decision, right? And you are okay to you are in that powerful energy where you're okay to cut people off if things are not aligned to what you need. um, but the thing is, you need that truth and clarity from somebody so that you can make that decision. So yeah, some you came to this person maybe for asking them to be clear about what they want. So yeah, this person seemed to be stuck. Okay, this person was not able to make a decision, make a choice. They were very stuck in their head. They had a lot of things going on in their head, because of which they were not able to come up to a decision, make a decision, make a choice. So they have this very stuck energy here, mentally very stuck. Yeah, but they do have love here. They have this they want a new beginning in love with you. They have feelings for you. They want to probably even come towards to you with an apology of some sort, hoping that they can renew this in a new way. uh, but yeah, this is them, at least, it's very clear that they have feelings for you. So like I said, you could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Queen of Cups. So see, from the Page of Cups, they've gone to the Queen of Cups. So they soon realize that they have a lot of love for you. They have a lot of feelings for you, a lot of love for you. They are now ready to come towards you with that cup of love. They have a lot of overpowering love. Okay, very sensitive, very caring, very nurturing. But at that time, that is the time when you have decided to walk away. So I'm not sure if this person has come to you with this, or they are just thinking about it. But yeah, there is a lot of love from this person towards you. Okay, so now let's clarify, why does Aquarius have the Hanged Man? Why does Aquarius have the Hanged Man? Page of Pentacles. So yeah, there is this, you want something very stable, you want something very solid, very grounded. You are looking at this connection with a very practical point of view, a long term point of view. Okay, but that's not what this person has been offering, or maybe this person, you have been offering them that, and this person has not been able to give you any clarity. So yeah, you're losing interest because of this hangman situation, because you want something stable, you want something grounded, and this person is dilly dallying. This person is, you're feeling very stuck in this connection because of this indecision, which is making you lose interest in this connection. So why does this person have the Queen of Swords? Judgment. So yeah, this person needs to make a decision here. This person, there is a call for them to make that decision, to choose, to make a choice. Okay, to decide what they want once and for all, which is why that Queen of Swords is here. But they are so confused because they have many options, maybe. Okay, or maybe there is no clarity in their mind as to what to do next. There is some lack of clarity. They are again in their head a lot. There is something that they are seeing with a different perspective, like they are seeing things in a very rosy kind of a way. A lot of illusions here in their head, so they are not able to come up with a clear decision, which is why that Hanged Man, which is why this Queen of Swords. So what is this King of Pentacles about for you, Aquarius? Why do you have the King of Pentacles? King of Cups. So yeah, you do look at this person with, like I said, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And you see this person as that ideal mate, somebody you can have a family with, build a house with. But there is this King of Cups as well. So it could be that this person has some water placements in their energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or it could just be that there is another person coming into the picture offering you love, apart from this person you're dealing with. Okay, so maybe there's somebody who is coming towards you, offering you love, giving you the things that you want. um, and now maybe you are dealing with two people, or there's another option for you that's come about. There's one person who's not opening up, keeping this energy stuck, and there's another person who's readily willing to offer you love. So there are either two people, or it could be the same person having two placements, okay, in their chart, coming up as that King of Cups. Yeah, but again, High Priestess. So like I said, maybe you have this idea of a perfect person, like a King of Pentacles, um, and there is this King of Cups who wants to come to you maybe, but they are not very expressive at the moment, because this is all hidden feelings. Okay, something is a secret, kept a secret here. This is in their head. So maybe this person does love you, but then they've not expressed it to you, and you know that this person loves you, but you want to hear it from them. You want them to express themselves clearly, openly, but they are not doing that because they are in their head about it. They are still thinking about it. Six of Swords. What is Six of Swords here? King of Wands. So yeah, you are moving away. So now you have three kings already. So you want to move towards something in a different direction, away from this person, maybe towards a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, who's more forthcoming, very passionate, not anything like what you've dealt with before. So maybe this person is what you are going towards, or who you are going towards. So you want to leave the past in the past and move towards somebody new. Queen of Cups again. So yeah, like there are too many people involved in this connection. Okay, so maybe this is again this person coming up towards you, uh, just when you are deciding to move away from them. Maybe they are come towards you expressing their love to you, because this person has the Queen of Cups here, and the last card for them is the Queen of Cups. So maybe when you're about to, when you've decided to move away from this person, that's when this person is coming to you and expressing their love to you. Okay, so what is this Eight of Cups about for Aquarius? Page of Wands. So yeah, you are moving away. You are moving away towards something new, I feel. Something which is not yet fully, like a fully developed connection, but this is more passion based. Okay, but you're moving away from somebody to go towards this Page of Wands, who's very passionate, and the Queen of Pentacles to clarify the Page of Wands. So maybe you feel that this person is more stable, something you can work with, or somebody you can work with in the long term, something you can nurture and develop this relationship further if things go well. But you are at the moment walking away from this person here who you're dealing with, to pursue somebody else. Okay, or maybe there's somebody else who's sending you messages, passionate messages, and you think that maybe that person can be your Queen of Pentacles. So let's see, why does your person have the Eight of Swords? Yeah, Two of Swords. So again, they are in their head. Okay, Eight of Swords clarified by the Two of Swords. They are in their head. They are not able to make up their mind. This is a conflict in their mind between the emotional and the practical side of things. They are not able to choose. They have an option, they have a choice here to make, and they are not even expressing themselves. Okay, so yeah, there is an ending because of this Eight of Swords and the Two of Swords. Something came to an end because they could not make a decision here. So what is this Page of Cups for this person? Nine of Cups. So yeah, like I said, this person truly loves you. They do have feelings for you. They want to come towards you with apology, with a maybe an offer of renewing something, because this is their wish fulfillment. They see you as their wish fulfillment. Okay, but Let's see one more card for this. Yeah, see, they want to get back. They think about you a lot. They want to come back to you. They want to reunite with you. They want this reconciliation. But let's see what this Queen of Cups about. Temperance. So they are trying to balance something in their energy. They are trying to bring about a balance in the situation. They're trying to heal from something. Um, yeah, and they're coming towards you very slowly. Okay, so I don't know if this person knows that you are walking away or have walked away, but this person is now again trying to come towards you in a very slow, steady, grounded kind of a energy. They want to work towards this and they want to put in their effort, but they are very determined to come towards you. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. So let's see, Aquarius, what's challenging you in this situation, in this connection when it comes to this person? Yeah, Five of Pentacles. You feel rejected because of the way this person has been. Maybe this is just in your head because, like, I see here this person has feelings for you. It's just that they are not good at communication or they are not expressing themselves openly, or maybe they took some time to decide, but you feel rejected because of this indecision that they have, and that's the challenge. Maybe you jump to conclusion very quickly, or maybe you are justified in thinking, like the Five of Pentacles, but that's coming up as a challenge because you're not able to get over this, maybe this feeling of being rejected. Yeah, see, because of that many options that you have or this person had, that is a challenge for you. Okay, because this person was dealing with a lot of options. So what is the advice for you, Aquarius, when it comes to this person and this connection? The advice is to have that passionate new beginning. There is a passionate new beginning coming towards you. Ace of Wands. So the advice could be to bring in that passion into this connection. Seven of Wands, and to stay strong, not give up. Okay, maybe defend this connection, defend this situation, maybe, and bring about work, stay where you are, maybe that's the advice, and bring in that passion. Or maybe this could be that there is a new opportunity, passionate new beginning for you somewhere else, and maybe you just need to stay on your course, stay on your path, and block other things that are not working out for you. um, you know this is Seven of Wands is a card of having to defend yourself, so you don't, maybe there could be, like, this person, if they're coming back to you, you may have to defend yourself from this person, block something. If you're not keen on getting back with this person, maybe you need to block them or cut things off from them, or you need to defend your position as to why you chose a new beginning over them. Okay, so yeah, take how it resonates. So let's see what's the overall outcome for you, Aquarius. Chariot. So the overall outcome for you is to move in a direction, make that move. This is about quick movement. Maybe there is something you need to go towards, or somebody you need to go towards quickly. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, and to focus on this is you, enjoying yourself, having fun, taking care of yourself, your abundance, your pentacles. You're just being this independent, happy soul. Okay, being single. Maybe the advice, the outcome for you is Chariot. So something is moving very quickly for you here, and there is this card of being single. So maybe you are moving very quickly towards being single. You're rushing towards that energy where you want to be single. You are going in that direction. So let's see what is the challenge for this person when it comes to you. Knight of Wands. The challenge for this person is maybe this person is very in and out, not very stable. Okay, passionate, yes, but this is not a very not a energy that will stay too long in a place. Two of Wands. So there is a need for them to, the challenge for them is here is to wait for something, to make a choice here. Okay, Two of Wands is also about making a choice. So yeah, this is about making a choice. This is about planning and strategizing their next move, and that's a challenge for them because they are so quick. They are somebody who do not, they do not think much. They are very impulsive maybe, but the challenge for them here is to plan their moves. Okay, plan and strategize as what they're doing, think before they act, kind of a thing. So what is the advice for this person when it comes to this connection? The advice is to be like this Queen of Pentacles, work hard on their stability, on their growth, nurture something. If it's this relationship that they want, they need to nurture this relationship. They need to work on this relationship. They need to have this energy of the Queen of Pentacles, who is somebody who will work hard towards what they want, at the same time being in a very powerful place. So let's see what else is coming up. Yeah, Ace of Cups. So if this person is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, there is a new beginning. There is this new love here for them. Maybe this is that love being renewed for you, which we've already seen that they do love you. And maybe they need to nurture this love, okay, because there is a new beginning in love for them over here. So what is the outcome for this person? Strength. Yeah, so the outcome for this person is to be strong, to temper themselves. Like if they have a very indecisive kind of energy, they need to make a decision. They need to be strong, they need to be courageous, they need to show that strength and make a decision, make a choice. Okay, and they are doing that. They are being strong, they are being courageous, they are showing that they can handle or make a choice. And Ten of Cups is the outcome. So yeah, this is about getting together, having that romantic love, wanting this relationship. So yeah, this is come up in the outcome for them. So it's pretty clear that this person has a lot of love for you and they want to come towards you with some relationship or a commitment. On your side, however, you are rushing towards being single. Okay, you are rushing towards this energy where you want to be single, independent, focus on yourself. Okay, so let's see what are the additional messages for you, Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Move on, you owe yourself that. So yes, that is a clear message for some of you, that you need to move on from somebody or something. They are coming back to you. Like I said, the reading is clearly showing that they are coming back, and that's again reconfirmed here. Check, recheck, and recheck again. So maybe there is some message in your inbox that you have missed, or maybe you've not checked your mobile messages or your email or something like that, because maybe you've missed a message. Okay, so check, recheck. And stay strong, your miracles are on its way. So yeah, Aquarius, very good messages coming in for you. I hope this resonated with you. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and a subscribe, and I'll come back with another reading real soon. Till then, take care, bye.